Today we're going to make chicken pot pie. You'll need 5 teaspoons of unsalted butter, 1.5 pounds of uncooked chicken chopped into bite-sized chunks, 4 celery ribs thinly sliced, 4 carrots, about 2 cups, chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1/4 cup of all flour, 3.5 cups of chicken broth, a cup of frozen peas, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme chopped, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 cups of diced potatoes, and an 8-ounce crescent roll. Okay, I melted 1 tablespoon of butter in a fry pan. We're going to add the chicken, and it's cut up into bite-sized pieces. It's about 1.5 pounds. Okay, I melted 1 tablespoon of butter in a fry pan. We're going to add the chicken, and it's cut up into bite-sized pieces. It's about 1.5 pounds. We're going to cook it till it's cooked through. I melted 1 tablespoon of butter in the fry pan, added the chicken, 1.5 pounds, chopped into bite sizes, and we're going to cook this till it's cooked through. Okay, we cooked our chicken and we took that out of the pan, set that aside. Now we're going to add in the onions, 2 teaspoons of butter, potatoes and carrots, and the celery. And then we're going to saute that on the stove for about 5 minutes. Okay, the vegetables are in the pan with the butter, and we're going to saute these until tender. Okay, the vegetables are tender, so we're going to sprinkle in the flour over the vegetables. And that's 1/4 cup. And then we're going to stir in our broth. That's 3.5 cups of chicken broth. And then we're going to boil this on high heat, stirring occasionally. We're going to boil this over high heat, stirring occasionally. Then we're going to reduce to medium heat and simmer for 5 minutes. So we'll turn the heat down now since it's to boil. So we'll let that go for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to add in our 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Our thyme, 1 tablespoon. Our peas, 1 cup. And our chicken. Okay, we're going to add in our 2 ounces of cream cheese. Let that melt. We'll let this thicken for about 8 minutes on simmer. And then we'll put it in the dish to bake. Okay, the chicken pot pie mixture is cooked, and I lightly sprayed Pam in the dishes, and then I'm going to fill these up. This will make 8 individual chicken pot pies, or you can put it in one big casserole and put the crescent rolls on top of that too. And then we're going to bake at 400 for 13 minutes. Okay, we're going to bake these at 400 for about 13 minutes or until the crescent rolls are browned. I put the remainder of the chicken pot pie into a regular casserole. I did spray it with some Pam prior, and then we'll put the chicken pot pie ingredients in. We'll top with the crescent rolls. And then we'll bake this one for 13 minutes also. Okay, the pot pies have cooked for 13 minutes and they're ready to eat. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Subscribing is free and it helps out the channel. Thank you.